from Ricky and Raquel.
In this week's video, we want to talk a bit about the cost of living here in Puerto Morelos.
And about 11 months ago, we made a video outlining our monthly costs. And this included stuff like Aquacon, CFE, Izzy, all those household bills. Oh, there's a lot of banging. We're in the park here on the port side. We've got to move locations.
And in this video, we want to talk about the extra costs that you might encounter whilst living down here.
So that'd be things like how much for a haircut, how much to get eyeglasses, we have a dog, how much his vet bills are, household costs like maintenance and so forth. But sort of lengthy, not everything might be applicable to you if you are thinking about moving to Mexico. So we've put chapters in this video, and please feel free to skip ahead to what's relevant or interesting to you. Okay, enough yakking, let's get into it.
Okay, so I need to get my hair cut. It's getting pretty long. I'm going to show you. And this is outside of Nicky's place, right on Tinaco here by the Mercado. Okay, so this is Nicky Boy's shop. It's always nice and tidy. And this is Nicky. Hola, Nicky.
Hola, hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
Muy bien.
Muchas gracias por el video.
Y tu tienda es en Tinaco.
Tinaco, sí, Avenida Tinaco, estamos en Plaza El Mercadito, local 35.
And of course I forgot to show you the finished product. Not bad.
So this is the current state of affairs. Not too great, but thankfully Nely is a magician, and I've been coming to see her now for 2 años, 2 and media.
2 media.
Yeah, so they're great people. And Jimmy, her husband, and they've got little Mia down here, and I love coming here. So Nely's salon is actually moving next week, but by the time this video is up, she should be moved and all. But I'm going to link in her Facebook so that you can find her. Another great Another great thing about coming here is that Nely is learning English, and I'm learning Spanish. And I don't speak much Spanish. Nely doesn't speak much English, but between the two of us, we have some great conversations. Yeah. So if you want to practice your Spanish, Nely and Jimmy are just so patient, so kind, and even me. We're just chatting here, and it's quite funny. So Nely's now taking English classes, and I'm telling her that Ricky and I are now taking Spanish classes, but her English has improved so much, and my Spanish has improved a little. But I was thinking back to like when I started first coming here, and it's like my Spanish was like nil, her English was nil, and I don't even know how we talk to each other, but every month it gets a little better. Practice, practice, practice. There is Nely says poco, poco. Okay, so last time I was at Nely's, I was really, really hungry, and I was in a race to get home for my egg salad sandwich that my dear husband was making me. But of course, I forgot to film the finished product, and I can assure you it looked a lot better than this. Nely styled it just beautifully.
It's a few days later.
Yeah, but I got a nice summer cut. It's a lot shorter and cooler. I'm super happy with it, and the price was 900 pesos, which was muy bueno. And my glasses, I've had distance glasses and then my reading glasses. This is the first time I've had progressives, and I really like them. And they cost me 1,900 pesos, so pretty pleased. And today we'd like to take a brief moment to say thank you to Mark Don Price for buying us these coffees. We really, really appreciate your support of our channel.
Gracias.
Gracias. Next, we are off to pick up our dog Guinness's best friend, Latte, and his mummy, Gladys. This is the first time trying the Petwash here in Colonia. Poor Gladys is in the back with the babies.
Okay, well, please place your pet inside to the top and make sure it's secure.
Okay, so they're secure.
Okay. Put the egg.
Oh yeah. So, okay, money's going in. Oh. We're off to a good start.
para iniciar.
What's she saying, Gladys?
Oh, just push the shower,
Okay.
press the button.
Green button.
El Salón. Si quieres terminar el juego, presiona el botón.
Oh, cool. This is fun. Look at his eyes. He's like, is it? Give him a lot of time.
The only that they need to breathe is another shoe.
Look how wet you are, Gladys. Oh my goodness. You're working hard there.
I know.
I'm just filming. Oh, Ricky's pretty wet too.
Yeah.
Well, there's a paper towel dispenser. That's
So
not
once a
gonna
month
help.
this little guy has to go to the vet's, Guinness. And he doesn't really like it, but he has to go get his worm flea medication. Yes, I'm going to show you where it's This is Caesar's Veterinarians. It's on Calle Timon on the north end of... So this is the Veterinarians in Calle Timon. ¿Cómo estás, Caesar?
I'm fine, thank you.
And you're open every day or 6 days a week?
6 days a week
6 days a week, Monday to Saturday.
to Saturday. Only Sundays is when we're closed.
Okay, and I'll show you the outside of the shop. It's a great little vets and Guinness like Caesar, don't you? Yeah. Muchas gracias, Caesar.
No, you're welcome.
And I forgot to say it is 350 pesos for the next guard once per month, and Caesar puts everything into the book for you. Okay, so some other things that you might need to be aware of. Your Tinaco, which is your water tank on top of the roof, it needs to be cleaned approximately every 6 months because there's a lot of buildup of calcium and stuff in there. And that costs us 300 pesos, and our tour guide does it for us.
And Jose is great, and I'm going to link his WhatsApp in the description of this video, but him and his wife, Manuela, just do a fantastic job. Go ahead.
Another thing every 6 months that you need to maintain is your air conditioning units. And we have four, one large one for our living space. It costs 600 pesos to have it cleaned. The other three are 400 pesos each because they're smaller.
And the filter, when they take them out, it's super gross. Like, it does need cleaned.
Yes. So if you're enjoying this video so far or finding it useful, please take a minute and give it a thumbs up.
Really, really helps out our channel with that algorithm thing, and we appreciate it greatly. Gracias. And the dentist that Ricky and I go to is Dr. Carlos, and he is situated here in this office. You go through this door over on the port side, and you go up the stairs, and his office is on the second floor, and we go to him for our teeth cleanings and checkups and, of course, any other issues. I just think he's great. And I am very lucky because my orthodontist works out of this office once a month. This is Dr. Lenore. Her practice is in Playa del Carmen, but she comes here once a month, and I see her and get my braces tightened, for lack of a better term. So our Mexican friends here have taught us about something that's quite common when you're looking for products or services to say in Spanish, and that's the 3 B's, which is bueno, bonita, and barato.
Which in English is good, good looking or pretty, and cheap.
Which is something I guess we strive for. But this is just a quick snapshot of some of the extras we pay that we've filmed in the last couple of months. It's by no means an exhaustive list, and you're gonna find stuff that's a bit more expensive or maybe find it cheaper, but I think we're kind of loyal with the people that we have and the services that we get. We tend to stick with them.
But if there's something that we've left out or something that you're interested in the price of, drop us a comment and we'll try and get back to you.
Yeah, for instance, we have a lovely man that comes to wash our car. He's been coming for the last year or so. We just WhatsApp him and he comes to the house, but our car's in the shop, so we didn't get to film that. But I'm gonna drop his details anyway in the link of this video in case you're in town here and have a car that you want cleaned. But anyway, until the next time, have a great week.
Hasta
luego.
luego.